Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a different way on how to force a selected card for a spectator to use in a variety of any magic trick that you want. And this one actually involves something that you'll have to make, but it's a different way of having a spectator select a card, and it uses actually a gift card. So you can spread the cards out of a deck, and I can just have the spectator just tell me when to stop, and wherever they tell me when to stop is where I'll put the gift card in to the deck. And now I want them to remember whatever cards to the left, my left of the gift card, their right, okay? So they can just look at whatever card is closest to my left or their right, and they can remember that card. I can take the gift card out, place it back in my wallet so I can still use my remaining balance on it, if any. And now I can take the deck of cards, shuffle them as many times as I want, do any magic moves that I'd like, prepare any kind of trick that I wanted to, and boom, I can make their card vanish from the deck. It is no longer there. I have no idea what card that they looked, or, because they could have put the gift card anywhere in the deck, and hopefully their card has somehow vanished from the deck and maybe has even appeared inside my wallet. Let's see, next to a picture of my pride and joy, I have one card in my wallet, and wouldn't it be amazing if it were the card that they saw, the 10 of clubs? And that's gift card force. Now, it's really easy to do, but before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this video and this channel. I really appreciate it. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. And if anybody's looking on how to become a channel member, you just do that through YouTube, and it gives you all the information there. Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. Okay, gift card force. Now for the tutorial. It's really easy to do. You just kind of make this gimmick that just has a card glued to the back of a gift card. It's kind of just a neat prop. It doesn't use any sleight of hand to force a card. And so I use the 10 of clubs for this one. And I'll just show you how to make one with any other card that you want to use to force a card. I mean, we can use, let's see, the 9 of hearts to make one here. I'll place that. You get any kind of gift card. These, you can get for free at a store. They're usually on the shelves waiting for you to put money on them. Or if you have one that's used that has no balance of it, it's kind of a good use on how to use these used gift cards besides just throwing them in the trash or cutting them up or whatever. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get your gift card and then just place your card that you're going to force just kind of at a little slight angle, so you still see that there's a little bit of gift card to, this is my left, this is my right, this is my left. And so just kind of set the card up in a eyeball it so you get it on the card, just so there's an angle so you can see that there's a different kind of gift card on the side of the card, okay? And then all you do is just get a regular glue stick. This is just, from back to school supplies. And then just, on the back of the card, not the gift card, but just the playing card, just put, nice amount of glue on the back of the playing card. And then, you can now, since you've eyeballed it, just kind of get it set up and place it on the gift card, and then just press it down and then wait for it to dry. And now you'll have, something that looks like this, where you have a card glued to a gift card. That's all it is. That's all it is. And then once the glue dries, get your scissors, okay, and cut at an angle. So I'm going to be cutting at an angle down to get the edge of the card so you can't see it from the front of the gift card, okay? So you just cut at an angle down the side of the gift card, okay? Like that. I'm doing it kind of fast, so you've cut the card so you can't see it from this front of the gift card, okay? Pretty self-explanatory, okay? Now, when you get once it dries, this one I'm not going to use because it's sticky, but once it dries, you'll have something that looks like this or this, and then practice it a few times, on yourself, where you place the gift card in and then know kind of the depth. I know that I want to push the card in about to the tip of this flower on the gift card and pull it over a little bit, and then kind of feel, because you're going to want to have it down, and then you're going to want to cover this part of the gift card with your finger when you show the cards to the spectator. Okay, so that's very important that you don't just have, put the gift card in and then don't cover this part, because then they could see, the card sticking out, etc. So you just want to get used to how you're placing it in there and then covering that part with your finger. Okay, so it's just no sleight of hand, but you're just covering this part with your finger so they don't see it. And then say, remember the card that's on your right, or my left, and they'll remember that force card all the time. And then you take this out, you can put it back in your wallet and you're clean, and then that card, and you can do whatever force card tricks you want that are left in your repertoire or whatever, okay? But that's just a neat little gimmick to have in your wallet, because you do, when you have them, it's a different way of picking a card, but you also place it back in your wallet after they're done, selecting their card, and you're left clean, okay? And then remember, cover the card with your finger, and then have them remember the card that's just to their left. And it looks something like that, okay? So that's it, and then you take this out, put it back in your wallet, you're clean. It's a neat way to force a card and get it out of a deck too, without using any sleight of hand, okay? So that's gift card force. It takes a little gimmick, but it's really easy to make, just some glue and old playing card, and then just throw this piece away, and some scissors, okay? So that's it for today. Let me know what you think. And I post tutorials once a week, so if you're new to this channel, welcome, and make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified when I post new tutorials, usually on Wednesdays about 6 a.m. California time, 9 a.m. New York time. All right, thanks for watching, and until next time.